Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, the Skeete Zone. And today, what I did today was just staining of the floor. Came here around 7:30 or so this morning. I stained the floors. Let me show what I get. I'm sure what I got. Let me show you. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Let me show you guys what I've done so far. All right, so this is the dining room area. Just stained the floors. All right, then the other day I did out here chimney on this project on a later video. Stained it. A lot of mess here, but you know that's what we did so far. So this for a later video, but I could talk about it just a little bit. So the wife wanted an abstract wall, so she got one. So you know, abstract wall could be any pattern, any as long as it's in your taste, right? So this is what she did. All right, so she got that done. But yeah, just finished staining, so I'm allowed to sit for a little bit and then come back and vanish it. Out here as well as to the living room too. What you see right here, those little lines. It's an old house, you know, it's our first buy, so we wanted to go a little old one for the first house. So the old house has some cracks to the floor, through the wood, seen through the basement. So I just got some filler to fill those up. That's what you're seeing there. But I'm gonna clean that up later. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an outside shot of the place. But this is basically how it looks so far. So it's getting there, it's getting there. Eventually we'll put up a French door right here, as well as right here too as well. Give us a few updates for the channel, you know, keep it alive, keep it going. Sorry, I'm just out of breath. Let me do like a little snapshot for the thumbnail. Let's see, this should be alright. Yeah. This could be good, yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Again, stained the floors. I did some of the wall work myself. Let me show you that. Those I did myself. Put them up. Add a little character to the living room. What else I did? I changed out the outlets, put some smart outlets in. Those are, I think those like temper resistance outlets. This is with the USB fast charging for the phones. I gotta change those out later. There's one behind it too I gotta change out. Right over there. But yeah, I got a smart thermostat. Did that myself. Had to run a wire all the way through the wall to the basement to make us a common wire hook up to this. My wife did this. Painted a little gold. She put like a little design pattern in there, and you know, changed the knobs into gold, the handles, and do a little something. The chimney, this was a huge project. Gotta talk about this on the next video. If you guys want to see how I did this or how it was done, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, and let me know what you guys. If you guys want to see what happened or how this got done on next video. If you look over there, we got a thing for the fireplace. Yeah, so we got not a long way to go, but we're almost there. The walls was once yellow, believe it or not. All of this was yellow, guys. Yellow. I'll probably put a picture up on the video to show you guys how yellow it looked. But you know, we moved in, we wasn't feeling the yellow. You can see right there was a TV mount right here. So I took that out because I have my own TV mount, and plus the TV mount that was there wasn't even straight. So when I put mine up, mine will be straight, definitely. What else? But eventually I'm gonna change this out. I hate those things. I mean, it came with it. Don't worry, it came with the glass dome, but I took it out because I know I'm gonna change this shit out. I also put in a dimmer, a smart dimmer. So that's a smart dimmer. So let me show you guys. So right now it's not connected to the Wi-Fi. It's not my Wi-Fi. It's my Wi-Fi, but it's not my router. So I'm not interested in using the internet provider's device. So you know when you hit that, it's brighter. Yeah. And so gotta have one of these, and I want one of those in the dining room area too as well. So I think I took out the plate. Yeah, so I took this out. This is gonna come out and put a dimmer in here for that chandelier right there. Alright. See the little tip there. That, yeah, I'm still working on that, guys. Still working on that. But yeah, what else? But yeah, everything in the living room. But yeah, that's a little update, guys. Just do a little video for you guys, and then I'll put this up. I'll edit from my phone and upload it to my channel. Alright guys, so that's everything. A quick little snippet. Hope you guys appreciate it or like it. Leave a like, leave a like, subscribe. Until next time guys, peace.